dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Ting braids got mini afros. Big lips got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eye.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Unice Hair. Today's unit is a 13x4 unit by the name of a Toffee brown with highlights and cute curls wig. This unit comes in 150% density and is offered in the lengths of 16 all the way down to 26 inches. I received the 20 inch. The cap construction for this unit is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total. 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. First impressions of the unit when pulling it straight out of the box, I instantly noticed that the unit had been pre-plugged, which I can appreciate because on the website it says that the unit is supposed to come pre-plugged. On the website it also says that the unit is supposed to come with a natural hairline and baby hairs. I can agree with both of those as well. On the website it also says that the knots have been slightly bleached. I really appreciate the fact that they put slightly because when I pulled the unit out of the box I was just kind of like, But just know I did go in and re-bleach the knots. This is how the unit is being portrayed online, and then this is how the unit is looking in person. Now, in my personal opinion, I feel like these curls are just a little bit tighter in comparison to these curls, but I don't know, maybe it could just be me. But yeah, let's go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts at the end.
So deep in your eyes, I touch on you more and more every time. When I leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. That's a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling in my pride is I wanna blame. Cause I know I don't understand. Just talk your love, do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Unice Hair. I'm going to be completely honest with you all. When I first put this unit on, I was just kind of like, no. Then I went through with my Nairobi foaming lotion and, you know, tried to define the curls and whatnot. And I was still just kind of like, no. But then I let it dry, I fluffed it out, and I changed my clothes. And now I'm just like, Yes, I'm feeling her. I'm seeing the vision. The curls on this unit are pretty loose, and something I've noticed about myself is that whenever I have a unit where the curls are pretty loose, I need the unit to be fluffed out and big. Like, I just feel like it looks best that way on me. Also, with the color of this unit being so close to my skin tone, I kind of get a little bit nervous about units like this because I feel like it could go either all the way left or all the way right. For me, this unit is kind of meeting like right in the middle. Because this unit has those few streaks of lighter browns thrown into the unit, I feel like it's kind of helping it break up a little bit, which means it's not matching my skin tone exactly. But if the base of this unit was just like a shade or two darker, I don't know, I just feel like it'd be perfect. Whenever I used my Nairobi foaming lotion on the hair got really crunchy. I'm talking about like crunchy, like crunchier than normal type of crunchy. So I was a little bit nervous about that as well, thinking that it wasn't going to soften up again. But once I like ran my fingers through the hair a bunch and fluffed it out a bunch, it went back to being super soft, like to its original state. When it comes to tangling and shedding for this unit, I really can't speak about the tangling portion just because I haven't been wearing the unit for very long. But as far as shedding is concerned, I'm getting very minimal shedding. When it comes to the fit of this unit, I can't necessarily say that she's big head friendly. Now, she's fitting me just right and comfortably, but I don't have any extra room. Now, two things I'll say that I love about this unit. Number one, the fact that they said that this unit was pre-plucked and it actually came pre-plucked. And number two, how well the lace melted. When a company says that a unit is pre-plucked and the unit actually comes pre-plucked, I absolutely love that because like I've stated in past videos, I'm not the strongest plucker, so if I ain't gotta do it, I don't want to do it. But something I'm starting to notice about units that are brown or either very close to my skin tone, regardless of whether their hairline is pre-plucked or if it's a dense hairline, and I don't know, it just always kind of seems to just blend in perfectly or either very close to perfectly. I'm just gonna assume it's because it's close to my skin tone. In regards to the lace, mind you, I am not a lace expert, so don't come for me, but I feel like Unice has some pretty good lace because for the most part, it blends really nicely into the skin. It's slightly stretchy, and to me, I feel like it's kind of on the thinner side. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. Let me know what you think and how you feel about this unit down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to Unice for sending over this unit for me to review. It is much appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.